this is the foil ball. I've been hammering for a few minutes and now this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna hammer a bit more and then show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So it's not that smooth, but I'm gonna continue hammering, so I'll show you when it's a little more round, and then I'm gonna show you when I'm sanding it. So I've been hammering it for about I think an hour. So now I'm just gonna be sanding it. So I'm gonna use this sandpaper, and I think it's 80 grit. So I'm just gonna sand it. This one, and then after it's fully smooth, then I'm going to try it. I think it's ready for the next one. Just thinking about it, and I thought I'd change to using this. It's like Velcro, so I'm just going to rub this on it. I think this is actually a good choice. It's gotten rid of most of the flaky parts. So the Velcro is not actually that hard. It's like normal shoe Velcro. And I think it's done. So now that this is done, I'm gonna get the sandpaper that I was going to use. But you know, I'm gonna use a cut in half version of it. This one caused a bit of a problem, so I wouldn't recommend using one like this. I recommend one more like softer, like this one, like an 80 grit. I'm just going to continue sanding. I think I'll just use these two actually. Let me just get off a bit of the flakes. By the way, if you're doing this alone, watch your fingers, because I am doing this alone. But I have lots of experience in this. Example of what this does, because like if this seems rough over here, I'll just brush on that for a bit. So that's a cat's. So I'm just hammering it with this. I think it's like a mallet or something. So I'm using a normal simple file, flat, straight one. I'd recommend using gloves if you don't want to get your hands dirty, but I didn't know that it would get your hands dirty, so I didn't use any. Basically what I'm going to do is put this block of metal on top and just hammer the block of metal. I've been hammering for a few minutes and now this is what it looks like. So it's not that smooth, but I'm going to continue hammering, so I'll show you when it's a little more round, and then I'm going to show you when I'm sanding it. Hello, welcome back to Kids Craft, and this is just a reminder that this is part 1. Like, share and subscribe for part 2.